So today we are going to discuss the problem number 1358 of Leetcode. In this problem, we have to return the substring in which the occurrence of A, B, C has occurred at least once. So we have been given a string that is which contains only letter A, B, C, and we have to return the substring of that in number of substring in which at least one occurrence of all these character ABC once has occurred. So what does it mean? It means in the string like ABC, if we consider this substring, in this substring the ABC have occurred once. So we have to return how many substrings are possible so that one A, one B and one C should be present in that particular substring. Now let's see how can we solve this question. So suppose this is the example. A A C B A C B B B. Now this is a string. Now what can we do is now we know that okay currently suppose if my index is here at 0th position. So I know that A has been occurred. Now if I'll move forward again the A has occurred and the index is 1. Again I will move to at index 2 and again A has occurred. Till now C and B has not occurred, so we cannot consider the substring A because C and B are not present in that substring. We'll move further. C has occurred, A has occurred, but B has not occurred. We'll move further. Now B has occurred. Now we know one thing that 0, 1 that we got a substring in which at least A, C and B are present. How many substrings we can make ending at B? What could be the answer? It could be like, okay, I know minimum, like minimum I need one A, one C and one B. So minimum is what? Minimum is like 2, 3, 4. So the substring 2, 3, 4 will contain A, B, C at least once. Also we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4 is valid substring. So what are the substrings possible? The substrings are possible is like the it could be A, C, B, or it could be like A, C, B, or A, C, B. So what is the how many possibilities are possible? 3 possibilities are possible. How do we calculate it? See, suppose if this is my substring, okay, this is the window in which I know that 3, in which I know currently it is 3, but suppose if any CC in between C is also occurred. But then also the window size can change. But this is the window in which at least I know that one A is present, one C is present, and one B is present. So how many substrings are possible? Like 3. So how do we calculate? Minimum of these 3 indexes like 2, okay, 2 plus 1. Now, since I got this, I'll move further. Currently, I was here. I'll move further. Okay, I'll move further. So now this is my window. So can I say that my index of A, which was previously 2, now it will be 5. Okay, so the window size will be this. Now I'll say, okay, again I got one thing. Now what are the possibilities that this is the window and how many substrings are possible? Like ending at 5. So I'll say that okay, 5 is possible, this is possible, this is possible and this is possible, right? Again the minimum of these is 3, 4, 5, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Again I'll increase the substring. Again now see. this is what, like, currently my index of C was present at 3, but since I got a new C, this will be updated and it will be moved further. Okay, this, yes, it will be moved further. Now this is the window size. Again, I will calculate the value. How many substrings are possible in which this is the window and ending at 6? It will be like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Again, I'll go. So my B will be updated. So my B will go this way. The window size will reduce. Now again, I'll check how many substrings are possible ending at 7. This is possible, this is possible, this is possible, this is possible, this is possible. Okay. Again, I'll update. Again, my new index of B is this. Again, how many substrings are possible? This is possible, this is possible, this is possible, this is possible, and so on. And similarly, we can say for all the indexes. Now, now let's code the problem. What are the requirements? So the requirements are, we need an integer, like say A, which is currently -1. This index will tell me what is the current position of A. This is B, currently it is -1. This will tell me the current position of B. This is C, which will tell me the current position of C. Currently we haven't got any A, B, C, so it is -1, -1. Now we will run a loop int I equals to 0 till I as till the size of the string. Now, say for example, if I got the A element, S box of I equals to A. So I have to update my index A, right? So my index A will be this. If S box of I equals to B, I have to update my B, else, like, if either it is A, B or C, because only these characters are present. So else I will say that C equals to I. Okay. Actually not, because if this is else if, right, else if, right, this. Now what do we have updated? Now suppose if we got the element, if A not equals to -1, means we got an A, okay, we got a B and we got a C, not equal and not equal. This will tell me that these we got a substring in which A, B, C are present. Now we have to calculate how many substrings are possible ending with the latest whatever your I is. So I'll say like, okay, this will be my answer equals to minimum of like whatever, because I know now ki till this index, so I have to take like this is the current index of A, beyond which I am not getting any A. If this is the index of A, see, if I'll take this one, B. So this is the index of B, current B, and beyond this till A, I am not going to get any B. So whatever is going to be the minimum of these indexes A, B, C, till there I have to consider it, okay, and ending at the current position of I plus 1, okay. This is going to be my answer plus, because since I have to calculate all the answers, so I have to do answer plus plus plus. Currently the answer was, let's say, int answer equals to 0. Since I haven't got any element, it may be possible that A, you will return the answer equals to 0. So this is the thing. Now let's return the answer. Let's see. So Okay. Now, what are the time complexity of it? Obviously, we are just running till the size of the index. So the time complexity for this will be O of n, if I consider the size of the string to be n. So this was all about the problem.